Hello everyone. So if you want to download ice cream screen recorder or any software for PC, okay, without paying any money, so you can go and type this get into PC. Okay, so you will get this result and getintopc.com. So this is the official website. Okay, then after just here you can type. Okay, you can type any software name. So for now I'm typing screen recorder. Okay, so then you will get this one. So I'm using this ice cream screen recorder pro 2024. You have to click here, and after clicking go down and download full setup. Okay, if you click here, so your file will be downloaded. So I've already downloaded. Okay, go to the file, can open the file. So here is my zip file. Okay, double click here. After double clicking, it's asking password. Okay, so whatever the software you download from get into PC, the default password is 123. Okay, then after click on continue. So here okay, so first do the setup. Okay, do you want to extract file? Yes. Okay, then click on yes, English, accept the agreement, next, next, install. So for now don't launch, click on finish. Now you can open it, ice cream screen recorder. So you can capture video from here. Okay, you can select the screen. Okay, or you can full screen, custom area. Okay, it is your choice. Okay.